in your own way. Different ways, flower come. Every style has its own charm. Smile big and you will see that's the best way to be. Do you like it loud and fast? Yes, I do. That's a blast. Do you like it calm and slow? Yes, I do. That's my flow. Try your way and you will see that's the best way you can be. Different ways every day. That's the fun and happy way. Sing again and you will see you are you. That's the key. Different ways every day. That's the fun and happy way. Sing again and you will see you are you. That's the key.
Hey, Vivi! Where are you going in such a rush? Someone important? Seriously? But who could it be? Everyone loves snapping pictures with Peppa. But Peppa's always like this. She loves to run around, laugh and have fun. Why is he standing there? Why doesn't he come closer? I think the little piggy doesn't like crowds very much. Exactly, Vivi. The little piggy stays chill and Peppa loves to have fun. Everyone's different. Yeah, that's right. The cow is walking slowly. All that running probably tired her out. It looks like the goat doesn't like loud noise either. Oh, these two ran away from the noise too. Yeah, that's right, little chicken. Peppa's funny and loves to play, but our chill little piggy is always happy right here. Isn't that right?
Peppa plays loud, runs around. You stay calm, close to the ground. Different ways to laugh and play. Little piggy, you're okay. Peppa plays loud, runs around. You stay calm, close to the ground. Different ways to laugh and play. Little piggy, you're okay. You're okay. Hey, hey. Hey, hey.
Everyone's different and each person enjoys different things. Stay happy, everyone! Did you like our story? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!